Yo, what's up? It is Charles Ovalle, just here making a new video for you guys. Anyways, as you can see, I'm on Facebook, and this video is a tutorial about showing you guys how to get to your saved reels on Facebook. So without further ado, let's do this. So you will first start off on your main page, you know, your where your feed is on Facebook, right? On your page. Then you will go to menu down down left. So menu. Then you end up here, right? Then what you want to do once you get to this page, that you press more, or menu, my bad, you want to press saved. And once you have ended up here, you want to ignore most recent, you want to ignore collections. What you want to focus on is see all. Now you have entered your reels, right? So right here you can filter all your reels. This is new to me, so I barely discovered this, so I'm just making this video for you guys. So just go to reels, and right here you will be able to see all your saved reels. These are all the reels I have saved right now because they are funny, and I do enjoy humor. So yeah, there's that. If you did enjoy, please like, comment, subscribe, and do share this video with anybody that needs a laugh, or like this video right here, Clark L. I can't pronounce his name, but video about Facebook CEO. Forgot his name, but you should check it out. Anyways. So the link will be down in the description to that video that I just mentioned. It's very funny. Check it out. So anyways, I know I'm a little rusty because I have not been making videos in a long time. So anyways, but yeah, you guys have a nice day. All right.